capillaries. This capillary for the first time coined by Marcello Malpighi. मार्सेलो माल्पिगीने सर्वात अगोदर शोधून काढले आणि त्याला नाव दिलेले आहे कॅपिलरीज. These capillaries are nothing but the network of the minute blood vessel. जसं की जाळं विणलेलं आहे एखाद्या ऑर्गनच्या भोवती बॉडीमध्ये, अशा मायन्यूट ब्लड वेसल जे असतात त्याला कॅपिलरीज असं म्हणतात. These are thin walled. यांची वॉल कशी असते? अतिशय थिन असते. It is made up of single layer of epithelial cells. इसे फक्त सिंगल लेयर असते epithelial cells. So the type of the single layer is present. In it, the theca externa and theca media are absent. Only it is formed by an endothelial lining made up of squamous epithelial cells. And these are rest on, all these cells are rest on basement membrane. Squamous epithelium कशावरती असतं आपण अगोदर बघितले. So these cells are rest on the basement membrane. Now these capillaries are mainly involved in the process of exchange of substances. Exchange of substances. And these capillaries are formed from arteries. These arteries divide and redivide to form arteriole. And these arterioles again divide and redivide in such a way in different parts, forming the capillary network around the body organ is called capillary. And these capillaries are essential for the exchange of substances. The exchange of substances is the main function of that capillaries. These capillaries show the presence of fenestrae or small opening in it. Through this fenestrae, the WBCs, which are movable one, are escape out by the process of diapedesis. And the exchange of material takes place due to the permeability. These are the permeable. These are permeable to substances which are dissolved. These are permeable to water. The substances which are dissolved in condition are transported or it is passes through this permeable membrane and the exchange of material takes place. For example, it carries the oxygen. The exchange of gases, that is the oxygen is taken inside and carbon dioxide is given outside. In the same way, the nutrients are provided to the different parts of the body and the nitrogenous waste products are collected from the different parts of the body. It is also essential for the transportation of the hormones from the site of their secretion to the target organ. Target organ पर्यंत पोहोचण्याचं काम कोण करत असतं? तर कॅपिलरीज करत असतात. Now after that, the pulse. The next point which is given in our book is the pulse. What is pulse? Pulse म्हणजे काय? आता आपण डॉक्टरकडे जातो, डॉक्टरकडे आपला हात बघत असतो. हात बघितल्याबरोबर त्यांचा हात कसा बघतो तर इथं बोटावरती राहतो. आयुर्वेदिक डॉक्टर तर हमखास आपल्या रिस्टवरती हात ठेवून बघतो. आता रिस्टवर हात ठेवण्याचं कारण काय तर ते आता आपल्याला लक्षात येईल. दिस पल्स इज नथिंग बट अ प्रेशर वेव्स. इट इज अ pressure waves that travel through the arteries during each ventricular systole. When the ventricle contracts or when there is a ventricular systoles, what happens? The blood enters into the arteries. At that time, the pressure waves are travel through it, and this pressure wave is nothing but the pulse. And this pulse is strongest. It is strongest in the arteries which are closer to the heart. ज्या आर्टरीज हृदयाच्या जवळ आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये या जास्तीत जास्त स्ट्रॉंगपणे दिसतो पल्स. It is gradually weak. Where in the arteries away from the heart. Away from heart. आर्टरीज मध्ये हळूहळू कमी होत असतात जे आपल्या आर्टरीज हृदयापासून दूर असतात. It is observed or it can be felt easily. It can be felt easily in the superficial arteries. To which arteries we call it the superficial arteries? The arteries which are present on the surface of the body, which are seen on the surface of the body, are known as the superficial arteries. Like radial artery, which are present in the region of the wrist. इथं समोरच दिसतंय आपल्याला. Secondly, brachial artery. It is present in the elbow. Carotid artery. It is present in the neck region, such as temporal artery near the ear. All these are the pulse points where the pulse head, and all the locations where the pulse point are seen, all the locations where the pulse point are seen are shown in the figure. बघूया आपण इथं आकृती. कोणत्या आकृतीमध्ये काय दाखवलेलं आहे? Imagine that this is the mouth, this is the ear, eye, mouth. Here is the ear, here is the ear. This is the temporal. कोणती असते इथं? Temporal. आता इथून असं निघालेलं आहे. This is the region of the neck. This one is the carotid. कोणती असेल इथं? Carotid artery असते. आता इथं हा फेस आहे म्हणून फेशियल आर्टरी. आता याच्यापासून दोन हात निघालेले. आता हे जे दोन हात निघालेले आहे या ठिकाणी जे आहे त्याला म्हणायचं ब्रॅकियम. हा इथे जो रिस्टचा भाग आहे याला काय नाव म्हटलेलं आहे? रेडियल आर्टरी. आता इथं खालच्या साईडला when there is the legs, these are the two. This one is the femoral. Now again here popliteal, posterior tibial, and here dorsalis pedis. These are the pulse point. हे सर्व काय आहे? पल्स पॉइंट. आणि एक लक्षात घ्यायचे या ठिकाणी परत द पल्स रेट इज इक्वल टू हार्ट रेट. पल्स रेट इज इक्वल टू हार्ट रेट. हाउ मेनी beats are observed in 1 minute? 72 beats per minute. Then how many pulses are there? 72 pulses are observed per minute. Pulse rate आणि heart rate हे दोन्ही सारखे असतात. If this rate is increases more than 100 beats per minute, then the condition is known as tachycardia. काय म्हणता येईल त्याला? tachycardia. जेव्हा ही कंडिशन 100 बीटच्या वरती आहे. When there is 100 beats per minute, then the condition is known as bradycardia. It is known as the bradycardia. And this pulse rate are more in the children. It is also more in the females. And in the standing position. जेव्हा उभे असतो त्यावेळेस फिमेल मध्ये जास्त असतं. त्याचप्रमाणे चिल्ड्रन मध्ये आपल्याला जास्त दिसते. and these are lower. The pulse rate is lower in the adult male. It is also lower in the lying condition. जर झोपलेले असाल तर लाईन पोझिशन मध्ये असणार तर हे पल्स कमी असतात. दिस पल्स increases when it is increases during the emotional stress. That is anger. उत्सुकता वाढलेली असली तर, fear, भीती वाटत असली तर, एक्साइटमेंट असेल तर या सर्व इमोशनल कंडिशन मध्ये इन्क्रीज होत असतो. अगेन इट इज इन्क्रीजेस ड्यूरिंग द एक्सरसाइज. एक्सरसाइज करत असताना सुद्धा पल्स रेट वाढून जातो. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द ब्लड वेसल्स and the pulse. Okay, any problem? Thank you.